Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my sister Amanda. She's helping me make some baby shower gifts. Now this one necessarily ain't for this baby shower because obviously we're doing one for New Year's. This is going to be for my niece's baby, but it's a good gift idea for baby showers or just make it for any baby in general. So we're going to do a few onesies here, and I thought I would do those so we could go over them again now that I have the new press, the 6x7 that I've had for a minute. I don't think I've done onesies with that yet on this channel, have I? With the new one?
I think so.
I don't think so. But anyways, we've got some 0 to 3 months onesies, and we've got the Cricut Easy Press mat. We've got it on 315 for 30 seconds. We're going to go ahead and do the regular vinyl stuff first, and then we'll come back and change it for the flock and glitter. So the first design that we have here, I'm going to go ahead and go over this. It says to preheat for 5 seconds. So that's what we're going to do, just kind of ironing out, getting all that going. These fit on here perfect. The 0 to 3, you can see how it fits nicely. So we've got that. So for the first piece, it's going to be, I just wanted to show you these super cute designs. Look at this. Hello, baby. This is rose gold. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to double check I'm getting everything correctly. So this is rose gold. We're going to set it right here. This is Caesar. Yeah, Caesar. I haven't had to order vinyl in such a minute that here lately I'm like, what's this? What's that one? This one's going to go here, but I want to make sure that I'm not overlapping anything. I need to scoot her over to make sure there's no overlapping. If there is, you would definitely want to iron those separate, but I'm not seeing any of that yet. And then I think this one, if you need to refer back, just always go back and look at your image. I think that looks good. Everybody's pretty lined up. That one went up just a little bit. So that's how that one is. So this is gold and rose gold. I may need to zoom y'all in just a little bit so y'all can see. Or maybe I'll do this and then that way y'all can see because it's kind of hard because of glare. So y'all can see that design. So this is like one of them shiny ones. Super cute. And of course, I always order my vinyl from Expressions Vinyl. They always have super great deals. I'll leave the promo codes at the current deals that they have down below. All right, so here we go. So it says 315 for 30 seconds. So we've got it ready. It's going to cover everything. And this is that 6x7. So I'm just going to give it some really good pressure here. I've learned along the way, just think of it as a heat press. You know that that's going to clamp down and have some pressure. So just give it some push. This is perfect size for your hands. I mean, it really helps to kind of push down on it a lot more than that bigger one. I think this one's so versatile because even if you got a bigger image, you can do this piece here, do some others. This is the most versatile one, I'll say, for like bags and stuff. So that looks good. So we're going to lift it up and start peeling. So we're just going to go by pieces. I think we have that tucked under. So we're going to peel them off one by one. Now they always recommend, Cricut always recommends to do this and then flip it over and press for another 15 seconds. We're going to follow their instructions just in case you guys are full rule followers and want to follow the same. But I don't ever do that and have never had an issue. So, but they do recommend that you flip it over, do another 15 seconds. But like I said, I've never had that issue. This would be the same thing. The settings are going to be different if you use a heat press, but as you guys have seen from our channel, I'm loving my heat press and my easy press. But look how adorable these designs. This is free. I believe this one's by Anna Griffin. Isn't it cute?
That is super cute.
I love it. It says hello baby and has 2 little foxes. I was trying to make sure you guys can see that really well. So these are shiny ones. This is called, I believe, maybe Vegas gold, just in case you guys are wondering, and then rose gold. All right, so we're going to set that one out of the way. Love it. Okay, so the next one we're going to work on is this one. We're going to work on 2 different shirts back and forth because, like I said, we're going to get the regular vinyl, and then we're going to come back and do the glitter and flock. So that way we're not having to bump it up and bump it back down. All right, so once again, same thing. You're going to heat up your area for 5 seconds, it recommends. So we're going to do that. I'm just kind of going back and forth. That way I'm kind of getting some ironing going on. All right. And then here we go with this design. Now this one here was 99 cents, I believe, which I paid 95 cents, I think, after my Access, Cricut Access little membership deal. So this one is a cute little bear, which we did in that Vegas gold again. You could do it in a brown, but I didn't have one. So we're going to do it here. We're just going to double check where everybody is because it's going to have this piece. And then in flock, red flock we did, I'm just here for the hugs. Is that not cute? And then we should have shrunk this down just a little bit because on the one we just showed you, we customized that one. That one was going to be really huge design. Pay attention. This one we really should have customized, but it'll be okay. But this one's going to have a little heart on its chest. But we definitely should have customized that, but that's okay. But that just shows you. We should have shrunk that in a little bit. But pay attention to those on sizes. So we're going to get him down, and then we're going to come back and work on the next one, and then come back. All right. So same thing. So you're going to get 315 for 30 seconds. And since I'm layering, I really shouldn't have went the whole for 30 seconds, but that's okay. I'm just not going to flip it over and do the 15 seconds till we come back. So we're going to set this aside so that way we're not having to do our temperatures over and over. So now we're going to lay down our next onesie. These ones are just by Gerber, just in case somebody's wondering, and they're the organic ones. So we're going to, same thing, 5 seconds, just heating it up. And this next design is super adorable for New Year's. You guys have definitely got to do this one. So I'll make sure I get this video up before New Year's. So in case you know a sweet baby, look at this one. Poppin' Bottles, Baby's First New Year. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to get it down, but I'm going to double check the layering on pieces to make sure. I think I'm going to
supposed to be above the P. The stars are.
Oh, the stars are? Okay.
Yep.
So this is supposed to be up here. So
Yes.
I'm just trying to make sure. So I need to scoot it over just a little bit then. Right?
Yes.
Or no, that'll be good, right?
And you just line it up to where
Yeah.
these come down here and those go.
Okay. So, but we do need to fix these. These moved. Can you line them back up to those? She's going to fix that for us, but now we know this is in a good spot, right? So we're going to leave this one. So it says Poppin' Bottles, Baby's First New Year. Isn't that cute? Love, love, love it. All right. I think it should all fit under here. We're about to find out, and it is. So we're going to drop it down for 30 seconds. Okay, so we pick that back up. Once again, I really shouldn't have went the whole, like, 30 seconds since we're layering, but hey, I'm all right with it. But yeah, we should have just did about 15 seconds. Okay, so isn't that cute? Poppin' Bottles, Baby's First New Year's. You could leave it like this, but we did, what was this? Okay, we need to bump it up. So now we're going to take our little easy press here, and we're going to bump it up to 330 for 30 seconds, and it does not take no time to get that there. All right, so now what we're going to do is these gold pieces are going to go down. So we're going to put these where they belong. So it went like this, right? Just like that. So that's going to go there. And if you notice with this, there was no issue. It did not come on any of these seams, so you didn't have to worry about any of that like you normally would, like trying to hang it off. Yeah. It just fits right on there. But I get a lot of questions, and a lot of people really want that really, really big one. But if that's going to be the only one you got, I really wouldn't recommend doing that because you're only going to be able to be doing big projects. You can't go down. Okay, so here we go. It's just not going to be as versatile. So 330 for 30 seconds. I'm going to line this up on here. And what I'm going to do, just to be safe, normally just come right across this. But just to be safe to show you guys, all you have to do is keep your plastic from your other ones, or use a Teflon sheet and just lay it right over that just to protect those, to keep them safe. I've never had an issue with it because these are like coated with, what do you call them, like a ceramic or whatever they are, non-stick. So I have not had any issues of it sticking. You just wouldn't want it to stick to your platen. But to be safe, I'm trying to watch myself when I'm doing videos because I know you guys, I don't want y'all to mess up on something and feel awful. So then I would feel awful, so I'm trying to watch that. But you can just simply take your plastic from the other projects and utilize it. So 30 seconds, and then it's going to want us to flip it over for 15 seconds. I am not going to do that because I don't want to overheat since I had already, you know, gave it so much time. So peel those off just like that. And there it is. I'll bring it up like this. Is that cute?
That is super cute.
I think you guys can see the gold. You can smell the, from the plastic. It's like the, I don't like that. Sometimes that smell of the plastic. Okay, so.
It's the glitter one.
The glitter one's got really like a lot of that, almost like a chemically smell.
Yeah.
But Poppin' Bottles, Baby's First New Year. I'm loving that design. Super cute right now. Okay, move that one.
Do you need an eye in the back or no?
No, I'm not going to do it because the fact that I had already done this one so much, I don't
Okay.
want to, you know what I mean? I didn't do it halfway through. Same thing with this one. I'm not going to redo it. So this one is flock, and I'm going to leave it on the same setting as glitter. So what I'm going to do, there should be a heart as well. So the heart's going to go, and I'm going to trim this down just a little bit. I've learned, like on this plastic, try to trim it down. Like don't leave pieces because it's going to leave like a square on it if you leave it like that. So it's going to kind of leave a little bit of that square on the, hopefully you guys can see it. I'm just kind of taking a little bit of that off her to leave the rim of plastic. So I always just kind of peel that off a little bit. So I'm going to put that heart down right on his cute little chest. And then I'm going to get this right down here. Like I said, I really wished we would have, I wonder if we cut it in half.
Yeah, I was wondering.
And layer it like this instead.
Yeah.
We're going to do it like that just because you don't, I mean, you could do it the way that it came, but to save ourselves, since we didn't do that, so in case somebody else does it, there's a option still left for you. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to put this one underneath. So we're just cutting on the plastic as close as we possibly can. I don't need to do that side. And then we're going to have it like this. Just because that long, so I'm going to eyeball since I cut that and it looks strange, but it's correct. Once again, we have the bear, so we want to make sure we put the plastic back down. It's going to protect everything, kind of hold everything in place. So we're going to cover the heart and then down here, and it's going to be 330 for 30 seconds. This is flock, that stuff that feels like velvet. That is one of my absolute favorites. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're just going to scoot it out of the way and start peeling all these off. And once again, I'm not going to do the 15 seconds on the back since I kind of think this is a cold peel, by the way. Yeah, I'm going to leave it alone for a second, so hold on. The flock is a cold peel. Note to self. So I'm just going to leave those for a second, let them kind of cool down. And I'll have all these shared down below. This one right here is completely free. So this is the one you'll want to get done by New Year's. And then this one here also is super cute and completely free. My sister just folded these and I unfolded them. Super cute. And then this one right here was 94 cents. But there's about a billion of them on here. So they're all, free. If you're Access member, if you will. But, so you don't have to feel like you got to do something, pay the 94 cents for one of these. But, I don't mind paying for those every once in a while. People worked hard for their little designs. So I'm going to peel off this very carefully. Isn't that cute? I just love the velvety. And I'm going to peel
thought you still have that piece.
all of these off. My absolute favorite.
It's so cute.
Now when you're snuggling, you can feel all her little fuzzies. Isn't that cute? I love this too. It's a really, really bright, bold, like deep red. It's just perfect for this. So it says, I'm just here for the hugs, and then has that heart and stone. Like I said, and then this is shiny. Isn't that cute?
That is so cute.
I love that. So 94 cents, it was totally worth it. Cute. But great gift for a baby shower. Look, if somebody opened this at a baby shower and had all these, which obviously the New Year one, but that would be like the best gift. I would be so pumped because it's not something you can really find anywhere. You know what I mean?
Yes.
All right, so that was that. So that's all that I had for you today. So I hope you guys found this helpful in some sort of way. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.